Hello, viewers and friends. Welcome to BST African Electronic Surgery, and it's Monday. And we have this TV. This is a 32-inch Superman TV. The TV is on standby. You can see this red light. The red light. Maybe you can't see the red light. Let's power on the TV. On. You see it's now green. And we have some lights. You can see some lights here on these walls. But basically, we have nothing on the screen. Nothing on the screen. And you can see the light is flashing. That means the backlights are okay. We don't have problem with the backlights, but still we have no picture, no graphics. So dear friends, I will show you how to fix this. Yeah, this is a dedication from my friends. I do have a friend in India. He's fixing things. So this is a dedication to my friend. So dear friends, I will show you how to fix this. This TV came in on the 12th of 05 of 22 last year for the backlights. Now the same customer came with the TV and said the backlights are gone. But according to what I see, the backlights are okay because you can see the lights on these walls. Let me turn off. Pay attention on the walls there. Off. You see those lights? Off. On. So let's get started. Let's get started. The VCC pin number 8 of the April MIC 3.32, 5 volts for standby present, 1 volt for the processor present, 12 volts, 14 volts present, the backlight voltage 36 volts present, and the lights are okay. Now you have to understand why this TV is doing like this. I'll stick one probe on the HDMI, VDD 0, AVDD 0. Here you must have around 15 volts, and VGL 0 volts. Now we must have around -7 volts. VGH 0. At this juncture, we must have around 26 to 32 volts. So we assume that the DC to DC back controller is not receiving voltage. So in that way, we need to go back and see the input voltage. Check on the fuse input 14, on the output 0. Our fuse is not outputting any voltage. Let's disconnect here, diode mode. The fuse is gone. Next to the fuse, we have a protecting diode, and this diode is short. So let's replace that diode quickly. Let's take out the diode and check Maybe we have a short, or it's just a diode. That the diode is out. I'll check for this diode straight away. And the diode is shorted. So we need to replace that diode quickly. This is a 3 amps diode on the 12 volts input to the panel, to the LED panel. So let's take another diode. Our diode is now in place. Now, what is left? What is left? We have to come with a calibrated fuse. Yeah, a fuse. We have to come with a fuse there. Our own fuse, because the fuse blow up after the diode is blow up. So we shall bypass the fuse. With a wire. Shall bypass this fuse with a wire and see what happened on the screen. The problem, my desk is very small and I can't do like clear videos fix when I will be fixing TVs. That's impossible. Our calibrated fuse we just finished putting the fuse. Now our fuse is fine. Now what we need is to plug in the TV again and see what happens on the screen. The TV is plugged. Standby light is on. Let's power on the TV. Let's see what's happened on the screen. And our TV is working fine. So basically, that's how you fix the panel of the TV. Yeah, everything is working fine. You can see. So, like, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. See you on the next one. Also, comment and share, please. Thank you all my subscribers from India. Bye.